Let's make some Americana inspired mason jars. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy, if you didn't know. And if you did, thank you so much for coming back. All right, so I got these mason jars. I'm using 3 different ones. The first one I'm going to do blue. This is an acrylic paint I got from Walmart. And I'm going to add a few scoops with my craft stick of some dishwasher safe Mod Podge. And then we're going to mix it up. And then I'm using a dauber to kind of dab the paint on, just because I hate brush strokes. You know how I am. It is fine, whatever. There's that. The next one I'm using is a Waverly chalk paint, and I'm doing the same process. I put the paint and a couple scoops of dishwasher safe Mod Podge, mix it up, use a dauber, go all the way around. Now here's a little tip. I don't do the very bottom. I use the bottom as a stabilization so that I can put it down. And then after I dab on the bottom. Just a tip. The next one I'm doing is, the color is Oyster, and I do the same process. Dab on that, and then we let it dry. Once it's dry, you know I'm going to distress it. You don't have to distress yours though. But for this white one, I have these window clings from Dollar Tree, and I'm taking some of the hearts. I'm using, this is wax paper, and I put it on the wax paper, add the dishwasher safe Mod Podge, and then add it to the cup. It was just a little less messy doing it this way, but you don't have to do it this way. But see, again, dishwasher safe Mod Podge on it, and then I'm using it just to place it onto my cup. And then once it's placed on the cup, you can kind of slide it around once it's on there. And then on top of that, I'll use my dauber with dishwasher safe Mod Podge and go over it, just because we want to make sure that it's really on there. Easy peasy. And then I do actually go around the entire cup with the dishwasher safe Mod Podge, because I want the whole cup to look, you know, like, I don't want there to be any spots that are shiny because of the Mod Podge, if that makes sense. And I decided, you know what, 3 is a better number than 2. So yes, I do craft like that. Love me through it. But I put that one on there. And then again, I put more dishwasher safe Mod Podge on top just to stabilize it. Just make sure there aren't any bubbles or that it's not peeling up in any way. Make sure also if it's on a corner or an edge, make sure that it's not peeking up. So this is what the, words are hard, mason jars. This is what they look like when they're dry. And yes, I am distressing mine. If that's not your jam though, don't do it. So I distress the red one, and then I go over and use dishwasher safe Mod Podge over the entirety of it to seal it. And I do the same thing with the blue one. And again, top coat with dishwasher safe Mod Podge. Now I had this striped, really pretty fabric, and I decided to do a few strips of red and yellow. What is the matter with me today? I did red and blue, and I tied them around the star mason jar. And then I thought, this might be fun. I did a 4 or 5 inch circle, and I distressed the edge. Again, if that's not your thing, don't do it. But I use a sanding block, and I just rub the edges on it. And then I put that on my mason jar, and then I put the lid on that. And I really like it. I think it's super cute. Because we use dishwasher safe Mod Podge, you could use it for anything. You could put flowers in it. Because it's dishwasher safe Mod Podge, it's going to be waterproof. But look at how cute. Look how cute. We could put this on a picnic table. You could use it just for decor, but quit it, right? I am digging it. I like it. I like it a lot. Anyways, and I hope you do too. Thank you, friends, so much for watching, and I hope this inspires you.